Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today is the day before Thanksgiving, so we're gonna be making a whole bunch of stuff today, okay? But in this video, we're gonna be making macaroni and cheese. My macaroni and cheese, how I make my mac and cheese, okay? Not nobody else's. How I do it, how I've been doing it. Before we get started though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. It is linked below digitally. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Okay, y'all, so the first thing I do is boil me some water or chicken broth, but I don't really have that much chicken broth. So if you don't have chicken broth, you can use some chicken bouillon. Just put that in there with a little bit of salt. Now, I'm using large elbow noodles. I'm just gonna stir these up, and then I'm not gonna cook these fully because I'm gonna let it finish cooking in the oven. Now we're gonna add some heavy cream. I don't know how much, y'all, so just do as much as you like, okay? Because this, I can't measure this. It was a little hot. Make sure your pot not as hot as mine was. Now we're gonna add some Velveeta blocks. These, I just cut it up, y'all. This is not the whole block, it's about half. I shredded up my cheese. Let me tell you something about this cheese, okay? This is block cheese. Do not use the shredded cheese in the bag because it has a like film, like a greasy coating over it, and it messes up your cheese, G. It just messes it up, okay? This is sharp cheddar and pepper jack, or what is it, Monterey? Yeah. We're just gonna melt all this cheese. Now my mac and cheese is very simple. It does not require a lot. So this took a little minute to get to this consistency, but we finally here. Now I'm just gonna add some salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. That's all I'm using for this, y'all. Listen, it don't take much. Don't need that much salt because cheese is already salty. That's hot. You know, mix this in, y'all, until it's well mixed into all the noodles. I'm gonna turn this heat off too. See, now I'm doing a thin layer because I want to make sure I have enough cheese for the top. I'm only gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna give me a spoon. Usually use my 9x13, but we're gonna make it work. A little bit of pepper, smoked paprika. I like the smokiness. And some parsley.
Last time I bought some shit,
Alright y'all, this is how it came out. Super, super creamy as per usual, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.